Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bison33 coming at you my very own first official Destiny 2 content video. This video is going to be showcasing this class setup using the CQC-12, also known as the 7 Seraph shotgun. One of my favorite shotguns wrapping up season 14. Trying something new, very excited to see your overall thoughts. Let me know in the comment section below what's your favorite shotgun in Destiny 2. I'll be using my new custom Battle Beaver controller. And also, if you haven't already, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Thanks. Hope you all enjoy.
Survival. Neck and neck on reserves. No lives left for your enemy. Destroy them. Your team's out of lives. 30 seconds. Both teams out of reserves. End this. Minute. No more second chances. Fight to the finish. You're knocked out. You smashed your enemies to dust. Lives left.
Nope.
Last life.
Nature of the beast, bro? What?
No lives left for your enemy. Destroy them. 1 minute. No more second chances. Fight to the finish. 3 lives left. Last life. You're out of lives. Fight on
bro.
just the same. Three lives left. Double down. Yes! 3 down. Did you hear that? My soul just shivered. Enemy team is out of lives. Topple them. One opponent standing. Double down. 1 minute left. The enemy is out of second chances. What? What? Ow. All enemies down.
Come on, bro.
Excellent.
Call a clip.